if they are able to know your credentials and your password, they will successfully log into your operating system that you are using and carry out some activity. Okay, like we see the first time, the brutal force tried to use different passwords, and you were able to analyze it from the Linux dash system to see that the logs, there was several attempts of credential login. Then imagine me being the attacker, not being able to have access to your credentials and log into Windows, okay, log into Windows, into your account from a different operating system. So that's what just happened here. Right, so we have you right here in the section closed for user root. So for example, let me just put yes. See, ls, everything that is on this system, the ls is going to appear right here. Okay, so the next attempt we're going to do, now the attacker is inside the Linux, is not trying to connect to your Windows. So this is the attacker. Okay, now we're going to, now the attacker is inside your Linux, right? As we already know, this is the attacker inside. There's a window, but the attacker is right here. Even though it's working on your window, but there's already a section that has been created. Okay, so from your Windows, from this Linux, the attacker is trying to connect to your Windows machine. So how do we do that? So we come right here, and then we're going to put in the IP address of a Windows. Our IP address is 192.168.1.10. Okay. So we are using 3389, which is the RODP port. That's it. So trying. It's trying. Even if it fails, it leaves a log. Even if it's unable to connect, it's going to also leave a log there. Yeah, so you can see here that it wasn't successful. It's trying to log on into Windows, but it wasn't successful. Unable to connect to remote host connection time out. So let's see if the RODP is open. Let's see if our remote desktop setting is open. So I just come here and just type in remote desktop settings. So you can see that the remote desktop setting is turned off.